So we've got a question here from a teacher who teaches in a secondary school. Where do we even start with this? Especially when some senior leadership don't even see it as a problem or think it's an assembly that will fix it.
Yeah, great question. So the first thing to say is that teachers, 78% of teachers recently told one of the biggest teaching unions that they experience misogyny in their workplace and in the classroom, both from male peers and also from pupils that they're teaching. It is incredibly hard that we are looking to female teachers to provide the front line on something that they are themselves most acutely affected by. And it's also incredibly hard that we make the assumption that we can just pile more and more expectations on schools and teachers to tackle these huge societal problems if we don't back that up with resources and training and funding. So the first thing I would say is that we do need schools to tackle this. We do need education to be a big part of the solution, but that isn't going to happen magically without actually, first of all, making sure that it's included in teacher training for all teachers of all subjects. Secondly, giving schools funding to really support and train teachers to know how to respond, to know how to provide really high quality and confident interventions when this stuff happens. The answer of where you begin and what you do is a whole school approach. So just as that person has rightly said, it's not about one assembly. It's not about a tick box. It's about looking at every element of the school. Does a school have a sexual harassment policy, or is it just lumped in with bullying so you can't even really see what's going on in terms of incidents? Is the school dress code sexist insofar as it says that girls need to cover up their knees so that they don't distract the boys or make male teachers uncomfortable? Is it a school where incidents like this are dealt with seriously when they happen, even at a low level? Is it a school where perhaps pupils are learning set texts that are only by old white men in the English curriculum? Is an opportunity taken when people are coming in to talk about future careers, to present diverse role models? There are so many different ways that this can be really holistically implemented across a school, and it won't work to have a really good assembly on a Wednesday about respect and sexism if on a Thursday girls are being sent home to change because they've been told that they might distract the boys with their legs. So it has to be that whole school approach, and exactly as alluded to, it needs to involve senior male leadership. It can't just be expecting young female teachers to just take responsibility for dealing with the whole thing.